I just received my toymaker clutch in the mail. It comes disassembled with the shoes and springs all apart. I found it best to assemble it like this while it's off. I use a screwdriver to like pry those on each corner, but it's kind of hard, but not too bad. And then it should go like this, and then put a little bit of thread lock on there and just thread her in, and then we'll be putting it on the motor. You get the bolts tightened up, it should look like this. You want to make sure these springs are not hitting the metal, because if you flip the springs around, it'll be laying on the metal. They're not the same, so and that'll cause failure. Make sure it's not hitting. Now we'll take the motor off, take the old clutch out, and put this bad boy in. So I had to get a flywheel puller, and I took these shoes off of here. Take the plate off, take the shoes off, and then you're left with just this. I stuck the claws of the flywheel puller underneath that, and it took a little finessing, but it popped out finally. And then